everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Saturday, March the 11th. And tonight we are breaking autographed jerseys. This here is a 3-box break. It's one of the Hit Parade autographed NFL. That's Series 9, box 67. It is also one of the college series. That is Series 2, box 62. And one of our boom boxes, we actually let them pick between 3. They selected box A. That is the one we are going to break for them. And we did random team sales. You can see on the left, we've already randomized the teams and the customers. We then alphabetized those customers, gave them ample opportunity to trade. Everything's been entered. There was quite a few of them this time. Pop, and here we go. With it, it's Andy Russell, Super Bowls 9 and 10. Andy Russell, folks. Yep, that is obviously going to be a Honeybee Steelers, folks. It is obviously just a custom, but that is going to be another hit for Big DP. Andy Russell. Andy Russell, not familiar with the player, too familiar with them, but again, I hate Steelers, so I'm a Raiders fan, so that is expected. Here we go. We are going to move into our box of college, folks. Let us break this bit in. Oh, okay. All right. Actually, yeah. Then actually, I got his. Yeah, I actually got his auto on a helmet. So, pop. Here we go. Wow, man. Oh, well, NW, yeah. NW would know who this is, I guess. That is a Jermaine Kearse, right? Jermaine Kearse. I have no idea what the college is, but that is going to be a Jermaine Kearse, right, folks? Yep, it's got the Mill Creek hologram. University of Washington. I think he's isn't he a Seahawk? Yeah, he's a Seahawk, folks. Yep. So I think he's still a Seahawk. But yeah, it's a custom, folks. So it's gonna be a Seahawk hit, right? So there you go. What do you mean a double hit? Someone else hit the first box. Yeah, Big DP hit the first box. That is NW hits box number 2. We got one more to go here. So that is NW. That was one of the traded teams, right? Yep, that was one of the traded teams. See, guys, that's why I don't trade. But here we go. Actually, I think both of those were traded teams. Yeah, so... Pop. Well, that is going to be a Joe Theisman. This is going to be a Washington hit. So that is going to be a lawman, folks. That is a Joe Theisman. Again, he's got a great SIG and such. Beautiful SIG on that baby. That is going to wrap up that 3-boxer, folks. Some nice stuff, but yeah, it's a custom, bud. Yeah, it's just a custom. Yep, sir. Just to show you. Yep, it's a custom, but she's a nice custom. She's brand spanking new, super clean. That is going to wrap up that one, folks. So let us get on to some bigger hits. It's been a good night so far. Let us get on to some booms. Here y'all go.